Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all emails in Gmail at once and not do this only 50 emails at a time. And this tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now this is very easy. You want to go ahead and choose either primary or promotions email section. For example, I want to go ahead and delete all of the promotions. So all you have to do is click on this select box. And after that, as you can see, all 50 conversations on this page are selected. You can select all 101, for example. It's for me. Maybe you will have like thousands of conversations and promotions. So you want to select all. So what you want to do after you have selected that, you want to click delete and confirm bulk action, and all of your promotions are now deleted. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.